Okay, today we are going to be finding the volume of cones. Okay, so a cone, you can kind of think of like an ice cream cone. Okay, and our height, again, has to form a 90-degree angle with the base. And then we have a circle at the bottom, and so we're going to need to know the radius, which is the distance from the center of our circle to the outside of the circle. And the formula for calculating the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height. So let's look at an example. Sketch our cone first. So our height here is 4. Our radius is 3. So we need our formula, which is 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height. And we're just going to plug in. So 1/3 times pi. Our radius is 3. And we're going to square that. And we're going to multiply it by our height, which is 4. And then we're going to simplify. So we have 1/3 pi. 3 squared is 9 times 4. So then we have, we'll keep pi at the end. We have 1/3 of 9, which is 3. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we get 12 pi, and then again we can use our calculator. And we'll multiply 12 times pi. And that gives us 37.699. So we'll just say 37.7. Okay, let's look at our volume of cones assignment in our workbook. And we'll write our formula at the top of the page so we can reference it easily. 1/3 pi times the radius squared times the height. So we have 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So our radius is 6 yards. Our height is 12 yards. We have 1/3 pi times the radius, which is 6, and we have to square that, and then multiply that by our height, which is 12. And then we just have to simplify. 1/3 pi, 6 squared is 36 times 12. So we take 1/3 of 36, which is 12, 24, 36, so 12, and then we multiply 12 times 12, which is 144 times pi. And then we're going to need our calculator. 144 times pi, which is 452.39 yards cubed. So this cone can hold 452.39 cubic yards. Okay, go ahead and complete your volume of cones assignment.